हेलो एवरीवन। तो ये पार्ट 3 है 100 इम्पॉर्टेंट नर्सिंग क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, जो मैंने कल और परसों 2 वीडियो अपलोड किया था, जिसमें 1 से 20 और 20 से 40 तक का क्वेश्चन है, और इसमें 41 से लेकर 60 तक का है। ठीक है, तो आज यहीं से 40 से 60 तक कंटिन्यू करते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट। ओके, तो पहला क्वेश्चन ये है, द टू मेन फैक्टर्स फॉर डिटरमाइनिंग ब्लड प्रेशर आर पेरिफेरल रेजिस्टेंस एंड डैश। ऑप्शन ए कार्डिक आउटपुट, ऑप्शन बी एज, ऑप्शन सी पल्स प्रेशर, ऑप्शन डी पल्स डिफेक्ट। आंसर इज ए कार्डिक आउटपुट। ओके, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ पेप्टाइड हार्मोन? ए एल्डोस्टेरोन, बी सेरोटोनिन, सी गैस्ट्रिन, डी प्रोस्टोग्लैंडाइन। आंसर इज सी गैस्ट्रिन। Question number 3. Which hormone act on the intestines and cause increased calcium absorption? Option A calcitonin, option B calcitriol, option C thyroxine, option D pancreatic polypeptide. Answer is B calcitriol. Question number 4. Melatonin is secreted by A pancreas, B pineal gland, C the keratinocyte of the skin, D the ovaries. Answer is B the pineal gland. Question number 5. Receptors are found all over the body and make us aware of the position and movement of the body in relation to its surrounding environment and body part in relation to each other. Option A proprioceptor, B retroceptor, C sensory receptor, D neural receptor. Answer is A proprioceptor. Question number 6. Each cerebral hemisphere is divided into how many lobes? A 2, B 3, 3 4, D 5. Answer is C 4. Question number 7. Which of the following substances is not present in sweet? ये भी important question है. A urea, B calcium, C lactic acid, D water. Answer is B calcium. Question number 8. The dermis contain which of the following? A blood vessel, B sweet gland, C sensory nerve ending, D sebaceous gland. Answer is D sebaceous gland. Question number 9. For active management of the third stage of labor, the nurse should administer A oxytocin 10 units within 1 minute, oxytocin 10 minutes within 5 minutes, oxytocin 5 unit within 1 minute, oxytocin 5 unit within 5 minutes. Answer is A oxytocin 10 minutes within 1 minute. Question number 10. In the human body, enzyme activity is most efficient at A 0 degree Celsius, B 37 degree Celsius, C 42 degree Celsius, D 60 degree Celsius. Answer is B 37 degree Celsius. Question number 11 means 51. Cellular respiration is defined as an intercellular energy producing process, B an intracellular extracellular energy producing process, C an intracellular energy requiring process, D an extracellular energy requiring process cellular. Answer is A an intracellular energy producing process. Okay, question number 52. What does AVPU stand for? A alert voice pain unresponsive, B awake voice pain unresponsive, C alive voice pinch unresponsive, D asleep voice pain unresponsive. Answer is A alert voice pain unresponsive. It will be a very important question. Okay, question number 53. Which of the following is a mental health nursing model? A King, B Newman, C Kathy, D Pepillo. Answer is D Peplau. Question number 54. Sources of literature include dash. A book, B internet, C general, D all of these. Question number 55. What type of questioning might be used in a patient assessment? A open and close, B open and shut, C expose and close, D out and in. Answer is A open and close. ये very important question है, नर्सिंग के डिपेंडेंट है. ठीक है, नर्सिंग के टाइप का क्वेश्चन है. ओके. Okay, question number 56. Non-verbal communication make up dash of all communication. First 50%, B 65%, C 85%, D 100%. Answer is B 65%. Question 57. The cognitive development approach examines dash. The reason for the onset of depression. B. Intelligent behavior in children. C. Professional socialization. D. Onset of dementia. Answer is B. Intelligent behavior in children. Question number 58. Method of teaching in which an exclusion to the patient area is arranged to provide a learning experience to the student is A. Case presentation. B. Nursing round. C. Morning report. D. Process recording. Answer is B. Nursing round. ये भी एक important है. Question 59. The most abundant tissue in the human body is A. Epithelium. B. Connective. C. Muscle. D. Nervous. Answer is B. Connective. ये भी important है. Okay, the last question 60. In following which substance is not transported across the cell membrane by thermal diffusion? A. Fatty acid. B. Oxygen. C. Glucose. D. Steroid. Answer is D. Steroid. तो आज का सेशन यहीं पे कंप्लीट होता है. ठीक है, 20 क्वेश्चन मैंने कंप्लीट कर लिया पूरा. कल फिर मैं वीडियो अपलोड करूँगी जिसमें 20 क्वेश्चन और होंगे. ऐसे करके 20 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक करो. ठीक है, और कोई भी डाउट हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर मेंशन करना. ओके, बाय बाय.